Friends, ain't moving. See where I am? You're not near me. So that's good. Just gonna periodically check. How much longer do I need? I need to last till 6 a.m. God, if I gotta have enough power? God, if I run out of power, they'll look at me. Stay right there. I'm still using some power. Oh, God. Seriously, this is like bad. I'm still there. Okay. This is the first night. They said it should be easy the first night, so I'm only assuming one of them gonna be wandering around, and it's this creepy bunny guy. Still there? Okay. You're still there. I'm gonna name you Bunny Holiday. Oh, God, where'd he go? Is he here? Whoa. Where'd he go? Delio. Probably shouldn't do. There. I need to conserve power. God damn it, I was like half the damn thing, but I think the doors were down. Still there. Okay. Hear that? I hear that? Oh, God! Where's the other one? Where is he? Where is he? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where are both of them? Both of them. Hi, you're really close to me. Oh, God, it's not 6 a.m. yet. Hi. Okay. So I think I just need to keep the left door closed? Not okay, not okay. Is he behind that door? Oh, where'd he go? Ah, oh, hi. Okay, I don't have much power left. What are you gonna do? Was the other one still there? Hi. Oh, you won't get it. Wait. What do I do? Oh, you're still right behind that door. Oh, what happens if I open the door? I've run out of power. Oh, I've run out of power. Is he there? I don't want to die. I want to die. Ah, what was that door? Ah. Oh, no. Oh, no. No. Oh, no. Hi! Oh, God damn it! How are you doing? Did I make it? Yeah! Oh, God, not again. Why would I do this stupid job? Okay. So I ran out of power. But, oh, hi again. Do you have any sage advice for me? Yep. Okay, yep, I know. Yep. What can I do for you? I know! Oh, God.
Hello. Well, if you're hearing this and you made the day too, congrats. I won't talk quite as long this time since Sweaty and his friends tend to become more active as the week progresses. It might be a good idea to peek at those cameras while I talk, just to make sure everyone's in their proper place.
No.
Interestingly enough, Freddy himself doesn't come on stage very often. I've heard he becomes a lot more active in the dark, though, so hey, I guess that's one more reason not to run out of power, right? I also want to emphasize the importance of using your door lights. There are blind spots in your camera view, and those blind spots happen to be right outside your doors. So if you can't find something or someone on your cameras, check the door light. You might only have a few seconds to react. Not that you would be in any danger, of course. I'm not implying that. Also, check on pertinent pirate code for time to time. soon.
Where's Pirate Cove? Why are you gonna go and leave me with this? Leave me like this. Where's Big Yellow? There's Big Yellow. Is he still there? Is he still there? Yes, you're still there. Very good. Very good. Oh, don't lie. He's still there. I'm so gonna run out of. Okay, he left. Okay. Okay. We're okay. We're gonna be fine. We're gonna be totally fine. We're gonna be fine. Hello. Hello, Bubsy. Where's the other guy? Where's the other guy? Where is he? 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 Where? Oh, there. Okay. It's not the. Hey! Hey, Freddy! How you doing? Okay. You gonna be nearby? Stay there. Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Where's the other one? There he is. Okay. I am losing my shit right now. I'm not okay with this. Oh, God, not again. Don't okay with that. No, no, no. Don't you beat the... Oh, God. Hi, he's right outside the door. Hi. Hi. Okay, I'm gonna keep an eye on you. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Okay. God, this night is lasting forever. It's not okay. It's not okay. Okay, so one's by a high. Let's eat. Let's eat. What? Are you still in? Okay, he's gone. Good. Stay gone forever and ever and ever and ever. Oh, you're coming back. Either that or you're leaving. Oh, I'm not gonna have enough. My butt is gonna be munched. I'm gonna be shoved into a teddy bear outfit, and they're gonna laugh. Where is he? Where'd he go? That bunny wants to get my giblets, but he can't have them. Not today. Whatever. Good thing Freddy is staying in his house. Hi, Mr. Wait, Bunny, you were just outside my door. Where's the ducky? Where's Mr. Dammit? No, no ducky there. Where's Hi, Mr. Ducky. God, this night is lasting so long. I just want to go home. I never want to play this game again. I'll be a good boy. God damn it. This would be like terrifying if you controlled the cameras with like an Oculus Rift or something. Oh my god. Because you just move your head back and forth. Oh my god. Hi again. Here's the other one. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Okay, as long as you two stay right there, yeah, that'd be good. You look very pretty. Where was the Pirate Cove guy? Oh, here's Pirate Cove. Okay. So I just gotta. Whew. You guys. Gonna be fun. Oh, I bet using the camera takes power too. I'm down to 34%. I got 3 hours to go. Nope. You're still there. You're still there. You're still there. You're looking at me now. Hi, Pirate Cove Man. Oh, where'd they go? Still there? Pirate Cove Man. How you doing? Oh man, I love working at Disney World. It's my favorite. Hi, what are you doing out here, Kate? Please, get back in. I don't want you out of here. He's coming for me. Oh, he's coming for me. Oh, why do I have to watch 3 of them? I'm like legit freaking out right now. I'm not okay with this. Oh god, they moved. They moved to. Oh, you're coming down the hallway, huh? Which one are you? Oh, that's Pirate Cove yet. You're still there. Coming down that hallway. Pirate Cove Man. How you doing, Pirate Cove Man? No. I got 2 hours left. No, no, no. No. What's that sound? Oh, he's right there. Well, he's not here just yet. I don't want to run out of power. Oh, the sounds, I don't like them. Perfect! No! Fucking fuck! I tried to push it! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Oh, game over indeed! Oh, are those my eyeballs? Oh! Oh, hi. Okay. So that was Five Nights at Freddy's. I couldn't even survive 2. God damn it. Ah. Oh, God. Oh, I tried to hit the door. I tried so bad. Oh. Okay. Okay, thank you all so much for watching. Check out the other scary games that I played, and if you want to play this for yourself, you can check it in the description below. If you really want me to play it again and try to beat it, let me know in the comments below. Thanks again, everybody. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!